What if I told you that the largest danger to your wealth in 2025 is not inflation, taxes, or even the labor market? It's manual labor. The type you perform every day without realizing it, responding to emails, paying bills, checking spreadsheets, running errands. The reality? If you're not automating, you're willfully opting for burnout. But here's the best part. Initiating automation in 2025 has never been simpler. And by the time this video is over, you'll know precisely how to get started step by step, no technical know-how needed. Stay with me, because in only 20 minutes, I'll reveal to you how to reclaim your time, grow your wealth, and learn once and for all how to stop exchanging hours for dollars. Let's dive in. And trust me, you'll never think about your to-do list the same way again. Each minute you spend on automatable tasks is dollars draining from your future. Americans spend a total of 3.2 hours per day on activities that can be automated. That's more than 1,100 hours a year. Picture being paid $50 per hour for all that time. That's $55,000 a year, down the drain. Unless your ambition is to be the world's record copy paster, you need to rethink how you spend your hours. Time is the one thing you can never get back. Automation is the secret to doubling your output without doubling your workload. So the question is, where do you begin? The simplest place to begin automation is by automating what you already do, every day. Think. Automating bill payments. Scheduling emails or posts. Organizing receipts. Scheduling appointments. Tools like Zapier, IFT, and Notion AI make it stupid simple. No coding. No robot whispering degree. Just drag, drop, done. When you sit back and watch your email reply clients while you drink coffee. Or see invoices get sorted while you're at your child's soccer game. That's when the magic happens. And after you've experienced that freedom, you'll crave more. Let's take it to the next level. Want to escape living paycheck to paycheck? Automate your income. Side hustles and online businesses in 2025 can be operated 90% on autopilot. Affiliate links? Auto-post them on a weekly basis. Print-on-demand shop? Set and forget. Rental property? Automate tenant checks, rent collection, and maintenance. If a robot can sweep your living room, why can't it operate your Etsy shop? Each day that you don't automate your income is a day that you're working for money rather than having money working for you. But suppose you already have a job or a business. Then what? Regardless if you're a manager, entrepreneur, or freelancer, you can double your productivity without doubling your effort through automation. Install an AI assistant to reply to emails. Utilize workflow software to assign tasks, schedule calendars and follow-ups automatically. I know business owners who reduced a 60-hour week to 15 hours by implementing simple automations. Imagine getting your evenings back, your weekends intact, while your business continues to run in the background. That's not luxury, it's leverage. But if you're thinking, I'm not tech-savvy, relax. Let's dispatch that fear immediately. The biggest myth people hold on to is I'm not technical enough. But surprise. If you can drag files, send an email, or use Google, you can automate. If your granny can get Alexa to speak to her about the weather, you can automate your savings deposits. Begin with YouTube tutorials or AI software with beginner modes. They're designed for humans, not programmers. Don't let tech phobia keep you broke. Automation is no longer the future. It's the new literacy. Time is the greatest wealth multiplier. And automation returns it to you, with interest. Spend saved time learning investing. Start a business. Establish your brand. Spend quality time with loved ones. Wealth isn't money. It's freedom. And automation is how new freedom starts. So, let's sum it up, because clarity is power. White heavy checkmark automate what you're already doing every day. White heavy checkmark leverage beginner-friendly tools such as Zapier, Notion, or AI assistants. White heavy checkmark create small income automations. White heavy checkmark buy back your time and reinvest it. White heavy checkmark let go of perfection. Begin small, begin now. So you've now had a glimpse of the blueprint. But don't sit back and watch this video and do nothing. Begin today. Choose one task and automate it. It could be your bank transfers, your email responses, your shopping list. Doesn't matter. What's important is that you begin. Because in 5 years from now, the ones who began today will be the ones enjoying the lifestyle you're aspiring for. And the ones who didn't will still be reading emails at 11 p.m., wondering where their hours went. And hey, if you've made it this far, here's a little bonus. In the next video, I'll teach you 5 automation blueprints you can set up in under 60 minutes, even if you've never done this before. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Remember this: rich people buy time, poor people sell it. Which one are you going to be today?